The Certified Maintenance Reliability Professional, or as it's called, the CMRP, is one of the most respected leadership certifications within the maintenance and reliability community. Having a CMRP shows your capability to understand the concepts of the individual and demonstrates to others your ability to grasp maintenance and reliability processes. Following the completion of the exam, you will have the advantage of understanding the maintenance and manufacturing, leadership, and reliability. Hello, I'm A.W. Schultz, and I've developed a series of questions to help you prepare for your CMRP exam. Following the completion, you will have the most up-to-date test preparation for the CMRP. The exam creates a realistic test simulation and allows knowledge to enhance through the detailed explanation of each of the 270 questions based on the most realistic, up-to-date CMRP test scenarios. As you prepare to take the exam, we will also educate you on the best preparation and test-taking strategies for the CMRP. Common question themes, areas in the questions to focus your attention, and common words or phrases that may deceive the test taker. The CMR exam prep is designed to create an affordable training and time alternative to those that don't have time to attend training seminars or pay extreme amount of money for an exam prep course that discusses many theories that are not common to the CMRP exam. These practice questions have been divided into 4 parts. The first 2 are short tests to get you familiar with the type of questions to prepare for during the exam. Pay attention to the strong wording and the depth of knowledge being asked on the different pillars. In addition to the 2 short examples, we also have 2 long format tests. The 2 long format exams are to replicate the CMRP exam style. They each have 110 questions with a time limit of 2.5 hours to complete. Meant to follow the CMRP exam style, follow each test. You will be given a score and examination on each of the questions. It is important on the last 2 tests you pay attention to your pace and prepare for a long test format during the CMRP exam. Please allow us to help you become a certified maintenance reliability professional. I'm A.W. Schultz.